You will need a clean tin, some colourful paper, preferably decoupage paper, some PVA or decoupage glue, a paintbrush, some scissors, and ribbon and button to decorate. Cut up the paper into small pieces. So now you've cut up all of your tissue paper, you need to start putting your glue over the surface, getting your paper and sticking it onto the glue. And it doesn't have to be even, just dab it on. What you then do is put a layer of the glue over as well, which will give it a really nice shiny finish. So I'm just going to work along my tin. So now we've covered the tin with one layer, we're going to go round and cover it so that it's really, really fully covered with our decoupage paper. So now leave it to dry. Use your ribbon and button to decorate the rim.